bring it back to senior year of high school. We sat in English for a bit, and then we moved on to our math class, and then our chemistry class, and then lastly our foreign language class. Now let's imagine instead of it being a senior, it's actually a pile of hay, and the different classes are the different compartments of a cow's stomach. Cows fall into the ruminant category, meaning they have a 4-compartment stomach, whereas you and I only have a 1-chamber stomach. Let's break down these 4 compartments. The ruminant is the largest out of the 4. It's an anaerobic environment that can hold up to 40 gallons of feed. That's as big as this trash can. The rumen is used as storage and is a site for microbial fermentation. Just like a jungle that has thousands of organisms and animals that help form an ecosystem, cows have a whole microbial ecosystem living within them. This creates a symbiotic relationship between cows and microbes. The cows provide the microbes both shelter and food, and the microbes thank the cow by digesting that food and providing the cow its nutrients. There are more than a quadrillion of these microbes living in a cow's stomach. All of these microbes work together to break down complex fibrous feed to produce volatile fatty acids, which is the cow's main energy source, different gases such as methane and carbon dioxide, and other nutrients. The rumen will regularly contract, which helps release the gases being produced. It also causes the food to mix around in the rumen, allowing more microbes to digest new feed. The reticulum and the rumen only have a thin tissue between each other, so they're not entirely separate from one another. The reticulum is like a filter. Due to the honeycomb lining of it, it helps push any small particles onto the next stomach compartment, and any larger particles will be regurgitated and rechewed by the cow to better assist digestion. Both the rumen contracting and the esophagus being a two-way peristalsis for ruminants allows for the regurgitation of food. The mesum is known as the many piles or the butcher's Bible because it has many folds that resemble a book. It's also covered in papillae that help grind particles to a smaller size. Water absorption is the main function here, but there are other nutrients that are also absorbed here as well. This is often known as a true stomach as it resembles non-ruminant stomachs such as you and I. The abomasum is glandular, meaning it secretes hydrochloric acid, enzymes, and mucus. The mucus that gets secreted protects the abomasal wall from the acid. The acid will kill any microbes that are still attached to the food particles, and the enzymes pepsin will begin the digestion process of microbial and dietary proteins. Each of the compartments of a cow's stomach play a crucial role. They must all work with one another in order to successfully and efficiently provide the nutrients a cow needs. If one were to stop working, it would ruin the whole system. Well, this is only the beginning of a cow's digestive system. Let's move on to the small intestines next. That was enough information for today.